And we now get to the latest on the flood fury that has wreaked havoc in Himachal Pradesh. Unfortunately, 4 people have been reported dead so far. 16 people have been reported missing in Himachal floods. 10 houses that stand completely damaged. And unfortunately, 9 people have been washed away in these dastardly floods. Schools, colleges have all been declared shut down. Those are the pictures on your screens of the widespread damage that it continues to cause, despite the fact that rescue operations are underway. But the circumstances on the ground extremely challenging, where the floods have now washed away 10 homes completely. 9 people have been washed away is what we understand so far. 4 people have been confirmed dead. The casualty could rise. And my colleague Aman Bhardwaj joining us from Mandi to take us through the latest details as we stay with these pictures. Aman, extremely disturbing to what it is like, even in terms of the rescue operations that are underway. How challenging is it for the officials on the ground, and how does it progress?
It's still challenging because the weather conditions are not favorable and there's no road connectivity. Even the mobile network is very poor here because from last 24 hours there's a continuous rain for which there were no electricity, there was no water supply. Even the road connectivity was damaged by the landslide and other factors. Due to which the people's mobile was not charged. There's inability to connectivity by the network as well, and it's hardly to locate that in which area how are the effects of casualty. But the local administration, though somehow is preparing details that in which area, which sector the effect is how much the effect is there. And also there are more than 9 people who washed away with this flash flood and cloudburst. The level of the Beas River is also enhanced from last 24 hours, and even now also the release of water from Pandor Dam in Beas is more than 44,000 cubic, and also there are 4 confirmed deaths till now. 9 people washed away, and more than 100 people are rescued by the local administration, and teams of SDRF, NDRF are on grounds still. But now, though there is a relief from the rain, but after regular intervals there is a continuous heavy rain, and for next 24 hours there is a red alert that been issued by the weather department. You see the condition. We are on this slip road in Himachal. You see even the remote areas in internal sector of Mandi, how they are effective. Even the small roads, they are also being disrupted by this landslide and the heavy rainfall. Even the big trees you will see fallen on the road, and also it's hardly difficult for the rescue teams or the local people here to move from one place to another. And also other side there's a heavy rain, poor connectivity, down with mobile network and mobile batteries as well. So but local administration so far in last 24 hours prepared and data that now 4 confirmed deaths, 9 people washed away, and approx 100 people are being rescued. Still there are more than 16 people which are being missing from their particular area, from their villages. And you see Sneha, the Thunag area, Karsog area, Dharampur and Gohar. These are 4 places which are majorly affected by the cloudburst, because at 3 places there is a cloudburst, and other are being affected by the heavy rainfall and flash flood. And in these areas local administration is been keeping a close watch, close eye, and also they are trying to communicate with the people so that they can be helped out in a way, they can be rescued out. But the loss they have been bearing is very hard to cover up, because more than 26 cattle of these localites are being washed away with the water, and also more than 10 houses are being completely damaged. So you see the effect which the people have been facing, and the consequence of this poor weather.
Oh yes, absolutely, and one can only imagine what these families are going through. But the authorities that are coming to their rescue and the kind of help they provide is also important at this point. I want to thank you for getting us the latest